The Xfinity X1 Box connects to your TV primarily via HDMI. This setup provides access to live TV, on-demand content, and integrated streaming apps. This video will guide you through connecting your X1 box using HDMI, selecting the correct input, and activating the device to enjoy Xfinity services. As of 2026, the latest X1 models offer 4K Ultra HD and enhanced audio. Before you begin, make sure you have all the necessary equipment. This includes the Xfinity X1 Box, an HDMI cable version 2.0 or higher is recommended for 4K, a power cord, and a coaxial cable if your setup isn't pre-wired. Having these items ready will streamline the connection process. First, locate the HDMI cable and connect one end to the HDMI out port on the back of your Xfinity X1 box. Then connect the other end to an available HDMI input on your TV, such as HDMI 1 or HDMI 2. Make sure the cable is securely plugged in on both ends. Next, take the coaxial cable and connect it from the wall outlet to the cable in port on the X1 box. Ensure this connection is also secure to receive the cable signal. Plug the power cord into the X1 box and then into an electrical outlet to power on the device. Turn on your TV. Use your TV remote to select the HDMI input you connected the X1 box to. For example, press Input or Source and choose HDMI 1. Selecting the correct input is crucial for displaying the X1 box's content. Once the Xfinity X1 box is powered on, an activation prompt will appear on your TV screen. You can activate the box using the Xfinity voice remote or the Xfinity app on your smartphone. A QR code will be displayed on the TV screen. Scan it using your smartphone camera or the Xfinity app. Scanning the QR code will direct you to xfinity.com/activate. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the activation process. During activation, you'll need to enter your Xfinity account details. The latest X1 boxes support biometric verification via the Xfinity app for a faster setup. Use your fingerprint or facial ID to log in and sync the box with your Xfinity account. This streamlines the activation process, reducing the average time to under 5 minutes. If you encounter a no-signal issue on your TV, the first step is to double-check that all cable connections are secure. Ensure the HDMI cable from the X1 box to your TV is firmly plugged in, and verify the coaxial cable from the wall outlet to the X1 box is connected properly. For audio problems, such as no sound or poor audio quality, ensure that HDMI ARC is enabled on your TV. ARC stands for Audio Return Channel, which allows audio to flow back through the same HDMI cable used for video. Check your TV settings menu to activate this feature. If activation fails during setup, verify that your internet connection is stable and working. The X1 box needs an active internet connection to communicate with Xfinity servers for activation. Check your Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection and try restarting your router if needed. X1's AI-driven setup wizard provides helpful voice prompts to guide you through troubleshooting. Use the Xfinity voice remote to interact with the system. Press the microphone button and speak commands for assistance with connections or activation issues. The trend is shifting towards wireless connectivity. Future X1 models may eliminate HDMI cables with technologies like wireless HDMI over Wi-Fi, reducing setup time to seconds by 2030. Keep an eye out for advancements in AI integration for predictive troubleshooting. This will allow X1 boxes to diagnose connection issues autonomously, improving user experience. Energy-efficient designs are also on the horizon for future X1 boxes, with new models using 30% less power to support sustainability trends and reduce environmental impact.